There are many reasons to prune ornamental plants: to improve their shape or size, or to remove overgrown and damaged wood. Generally, late winter or early spring is the easiest and most effective time to prune. Start with quality tools to make clean cuts. Plants respond differently depending upon the type of cut. Heading cuts clip the tip of the branch, leaving side branches or buds to grow, creating a thicker, fuller plant. That's why heading cuts are used to shape plants into hedges. A thinning cut removes the whole branch at its origin. This redirects plant growth to the remaining branches. The thinned plant has an open, natural appearance that lets light in to enhance blooms and fruit. A drastic thinning cut can be used with some plants to start them over with fresh growth. Understanding how plants grow in response to pruning will help you prune with confidence and keep your shrubs and trees looking great.